Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now in this video we are going to solve question number 7th of exercise 1.5. Now here we have to fill in the blanks to make each of the following statement true statement. So now first is A union A complement is equal to dash. Now what we should put here to make this true? Okay, so now what we will get when we do A union A complement? Let us try to understand this using Venn diagram. Okay, so now suppose I am having a Venn diagram like this and I am having a set A. Okay, suppose this is a set A. Now in this what we want A union A complement. Now A complement meaning what? Here we'll write, and this is our U. Okay, so first we will write here A union universal set minus A. So A is there. Okay, A is there. Okay, A is there. Now from universal set we have to remove A, then we will get this A complement, meaning this and A. So together what we will get? We will get universal whole universal set, because here they have talked about A union, that means combination we have to take. A complement, obviously A complement is this. Yes, the elements which are there in U but not in A. Okay, so that means this portion will come for A complement. Yes, for A complement. Now union with A, so this A is this, and when we will combine this, what are we getting? We are getting nothing but the universal set. Okay, now moving to the next question, second one. Now here second one, what they have told, empty set complement intersection A is dash. Now empty set complement, that means the elements which are there in U but not in empty set, but we know that nothing is there in the empty set, so what we will remove? That means phi complement is nothing but the whole universal set. Okay, this is our universal set and the set A is there. Okay, so the universal set intersection with this set A. So when we will find a common, what are we getting? Finally the whole universal set is there in common. Okay, so if we take out common, what are we getting? So this is our U and this is our A. Okay, so what are we getting? We are not getting anything in common, so this is our empty set.